And kitchens are probably the most important and functional room in your house. And if it's not, our next guest can fix that. Mike Washington from Ivy League Construction is back with Wayne Manges, and they've got some great ideas for your kitchen. But also, let me remind everybody, they had great ideas for your ugly door. And the contest winner has been chosen. So good morning, guys.
Good morning. Thanks for having us back.
Well, thank you. You're welcome. And we do have a picture of what was chosen as the ugly door.
Yes.
And it really was ugly.
Yes, it was. We need some improving.
Here it is. This is Sherry Beltry. She sent in this picture of her door. And wow, that door did need to be replaced.
Yes, we're going to be up to see her this week and get her tuned up with a brand new door, storm door, and a new lock for her house.
Oh, she's got to be so excited. Looks like she's doing some work out there.
I think she was. I understand she's doing a lot of remodeling in her home already, so it's going to fit in perfect.
You know, I have to tell you, Mike replaced my outdoor door, and it almost looked as bad as that. I have to tell you, it looks terrific now, but yikes. I mean, if your doors are ugly, you know, it's really unfair for the whole house because that's the first thing people see.
Sure, it's a curb appeal again. It really is.
So anyway, all right, so there's the door situation, but kitchens is our subject for today.
Yeah, we're really here to talk about kitchens today and updating the kitchens, and really, it's the hub of the house today. Everyone meets in the kitchen, people do homework in the kitchen, obviously the food preparation. The kitchen is really the nerve center of the house.
Yeah, I've been at parties where we never got out of the kitchen.
For sure.
You know, and it was great. Wayne, you have a lot of things to tell people about the kinds of products that can be bought today.
Yeah, you know, for what we have today in a kitchen is way more than my mother had in her kitchen. Appliances are more. She had like 3 appliances. Now there's thousands. You have microwaves. People put TV in the kitchen. So there's a lot of changes you need to make, you know, just in the wiring and the plumbing and the whole shot. You know, throughout the kitchens.
And what about even the surfaces? I mean, between the granite and the
different
laminates.
Tops. Yeah, it's so much more than a laminate top anymore. We have granite, solid surface. You know, there's just, it's unending, and the selections, when people go to make selections, everybody's bewildered. I try to get them to make 3 basic ideas and then make their selections from that rather than try to choose from everything.
Can people come to you for the floor as well?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so that might be where to start. That and a color, a base color combination.
Well, we have them either base everything off of the countertop or the floor. If they have a preference, they want a wood grain on the floor, then we're going to stare at the browns or something on the counter. If they like a different, say they like a counter that maybe they want a gray or black granite, then they're going to lead the floor into that rather than mix colors up too much.
And I will tell people, because I've worked with Ivy League, that the amount of choices that you have, like for fixtures, it's endless. I mean, if you go into the big box store, you'll see a bunch of them, but you may not like any of them. I mean, you can actually just, what is it that you really want, and you can find that fixture that matches their need. It'll be quite unique.
I think today there's endless amounts of choices, and realistically we want to have a good game plan going in, but we're going to be able to show you so many different things, and also to hit all the different budget points. There's different values of everything out there, and we can save a few dollars here or there between putting in maple cabinets and cherry cabinets. They still will look like cherry, or a tile backsplash, or a granite top. There's so many different choices out there, and we can really steer you in the right way for your needs, obviously the look you're going for, and then your budget. We really take that into consideration all the way through the project.
You can add things like outlets. You know, I mean, people have always wanted, I need more outlets in this kitchen. You can do that. I mean, these are the things that you can stop and think and put in, and have these guys work with you to actually design that kitchen for you.
Yes. Yeah, we like this. We like to basically gut the kitchen out completely. It helps us find out what's behind the walls. You got plumbing that's 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 years old, wiring that's way outdated. Now you can have the appliances without having extension cords. You can run the microwave and the toaster and all the stuff together without blowing fuses. You know, when you have friends over, you're not jumbling with extension cords. There's a lot, and basically we'll start with the floor. Once we get the walls, we'll get the floor down, get our cabinets laid in. It's just a, when you're done, we have a whole new kitchen. We don't have something where we patched what you had. You know, we try to find out what's wrong with this kitchen. What do you want to have changed on it? Let's just forget what you got here and start from new.
Yeah, the older kitchens didn't have a lot of functionality. They were just put in the house and they put in the corner, and this is what we did. Now that room has changed so much, you can even change walls.
Oh yeah, we
to
move
enlarge
walls out, make them larger.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of times the older houses, so we get in North Buffalo homes, and they had a dining room, and you had to walk through a hallway, and we'll take that wall out, incorporate that into one large kitchen.
Yeah, put a window in.
Oh yeah.
You know, change it, change the lighting, make it recessed lighting. So you're opening up more room.
Oh, for sure,
and
like more functional.
Guys like you.
And more functional.
Yes.
You know, the whole house is running through that kitchen today.
Mm-hmm.
So when people are coming in, you can entertain in there. You can do schoolwork. You can obviously eat. You can prepare the food. It's really the spot today that you want that open floor plan and to be able to really make it yours.
Yes, and you know, if you ever want to sell that house, that's the first thing people want to see when they come into the house is have you updated the kitchen.
That's the biggest resale value in a house. That's the room in the house where you're going to spend the most amount of money and the most amount of time. Make it right for you.
Oh, all right, everybody. We hope we've given you something to think about. And to sweeten the deal, Mike, if people go to your, was it website or your Facebook page?
Our Facebook page this week. Yeah, we're actually giving away 10 pair of Bison tickets this week. If you go to our Facebook, you can register in the sweepstakes there, and it'll be drawn by random on Friday. So 10 pair of Bison tickets.
Good deal.
Use for any game through the rest of the year.
Well, congratulations to Sherry Veltri for the new door. But you know what? It's really fun when you go to the Ivy Lee site, whether it's their web page or whether it's Facebook. There's a lot of great things there, and maybe even some opportunities for you to save some money. But you have to go and look. Ivy Lee Construction in Tonawanda. Call these folks. They've got some great ideas for you. 875-8654 or log on to ivyleeconstruction.com.